Hi everyone, if you're watching this, you're probably pregnant. So let me start by saying congratulations. I'm Dr. Caroline Melgar, I'm a cardiologist and I'm focused on fetal cardiac health. That means I take care of the baby's heart and the mommy's heart too. Now, are you familiar with this device? It's a portable fetal Doppler. You can actually feel your baby's heart in the comfort of your own home. Have you heard your baby's heart yet? Let's take a look at what it sounds like. If it's the first time you're using it, it might be a little confusing to tell the difference between the different sounds you're going to hear. We start by putting a little gel on your belly. You turn on the fetal Doppler and just place it on your tummy. You don't need to press so hard to find it, just apply a very gentle pressure. Remember that the fetal Doppler will pick up on your heartbeat along with the baby's, especially in early pregnancies. The further along you get, the easier it will be to hear the baby's heartbeat. Now, here are some examples of sounds you can expect to pick up. If it's slow and steady, it's your heartbeat. You can notice that by moving the probe around, it picks up different sounds. If it's also slow but sounds like the wind whooshing through the trees, it's the blood flowing through the placenta. And if it's quick and galloping, means you found your baby's heart. This sound is the baby's heart valve opening and closing. Remember that if you're anywhere between 16 to 20 weeks, then the baby's heartbeat might be located between your pubic bone and your belly button. If you're on your second trimester, then you'll probably find it in this area around your belly button. Now, when you're in your third trimester, it's going to be easier to find because there's less space between the baby's heart and the fetal Doppler, but you're still going to have to search for it. So let me know if you heard your baby's heart yet. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found this information useful. Be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my videos. I'm Dr. Caroline Melgar. I'm a cardiologist and I'm focused on preventive medicine. Take care.